Hello there, 585ers. This video is to prepare you for Thursday night's class, the 18th of February. We have been circling around the beginnings of what I would like to call your ubiquitous classroom. Look it up, ubiquitous. It means being anywhere at any time. And that's what we're going to take a look at. We're going to look at that through two lenses. Starting Thursday night, we're going to look at it through the lens of what is called a wiki. I like wikis and wiki spaces specifically because it is a very straightforward HTML-based that allows you to do just about anything you'd want to do. Unlike website creations like Weebly, which is all Flash-based, Wikispaces is very much an HTML-based product. And I'll explain all that to you on Thursday night. We'll leave it at this. With an HTML product, it's much, much simpler to design and create what you want it to do. And you can put just about anything you want into a wiki. You already know the skill needed to do that. It's called finding the embed code, creating the embed code, copy, paste. It's that simple. And I'll show you how to do that. So what we're going to do Thursday is we're going to set up a Wikispaces account so that you can have your own wiki. We are then going to ask you, as a part of your Wikispace, to put these four things into it. We're going to create a Voki that speaks to your overall educational philosophy. When we create the Voki, you will notice that it has a limit, just like Twitter. So before you ask me, that's how much you're going to put in. Vokis are very simple to make. They're very powerful in that it allows you to create an avatar that every time somebody comes to your site, they can understand what you're trying to do. We're going to create a word cloud that illustrates the vocabulary, the standards of your content area. So the expectation is you'll be able to locate your standards. Now, I don't expect you to have every single standard, but let's focus in on a topic that would be germane to what you teach. And we'll find that. You will see very quickly it's very simple to move things in and out of your wiki, so things can be updated. And then we're going to create another GoAnimate. You all seem to have a lot of fun with this the last time. And this is going to be a very simple, hi, this is what my Wikispace is for. So it's a welcoming GoAnimate as well as an explanation of how you see this working for you and your students. And then finally, I'm going to teach you how to build a back channel into your wiki so that you can use it as a way of monitoring your students' understandings in your classroom. We'll be using a tool called Today's Meet. We like Today's Meet a lot because anybody who has any kind of internet accessible device, computer, tablet, phone, can get to a Today's Meet. We're going to ask you to watch a video by Sir Ken Robinson on creativity. We're going to ask you to embed that video into a new page in your wiki, primarily to introduce you to Sir Ken's thinking, but also to practice on how to create a new page and how to embed things into your wiki. You will find that the embedding of resources, it can be anything from a YouTube video to a GoAnimate to you name it, to an infographic, you name it, you can do it in a Wikispace, and it's very, very simple. We will not get to this week. I'm going to save it for the following week, and that will be creating a classroom YouTube channel. These two videos are mine, and I have created these as a way for you to understand how you can build a YouTube channel for your classroom. This YouTube channel can be what I call your media closet, where you create things and put it in there. So it makes it simple then to pull them out and to put the videos into places like your wiki or website or a Blackboard space or anything. We'll have a guest the following Thursday who will share with us her YouTube channel that she actually uses to teach with. So those are the two ways that we'll be viewing our YouTube channels. Number one, we'll be looking at it as a media closet where you can upload stuff and put it somewhere so that you can then get it out of that closet and put it into your wiki space. Usually this is done as the way I'm doing for you. I create these videos and I put them into my YouTube channel. So if I want to use them again, I can just pull them right back out. The other way that we'll look at this will be looking at it through the lens of how would you create a YouTube channel that you could actually teach from. So we're going to look at just this week the creation of a wiki space, and then the following week we will then look at the creation of a YouTube channel, and we'll have a guest who will come in and show us her YouTube channel that she uses to teach geometry. So, if you would like to get ahead of the game, there are lots and lots of videos in here. Remember, we're focusing just on wikis this week that will walk you through how to do all this. And as you can see, I have everything in here from videos to paper pencil. I'm not paper pencil, but something you can read and do. And let's see. Here's the Voki. We love Vokis. Vokis are hilarious. If you want to do a peanut size, I wouldn't have a problem with that, and that's in there too. If the idea of a Voki kind of freaks you out, or if you want to do something that you think would be more engaging with your kids, feel free. This is a word cloud. I have in here the Tagxedo. Some people like Tagxedo. I'll be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of it because I find it rather cumbersome to do. The one that I like is called Word Cloud from ABC because it's, copy paste, create a file, upload the file. It's that simple. And then here are the directions and discussions around building your back channel. So we're going to take a look at all of this. It's going to be a very busy evening. I will have up to this point, if you have put things into the live text to be graded, they're going to be graded so you can kind of get a sense of how you're doing in the class. I would say after a cursory look at the live text, I don't think anybody's got anything to worry about. So I will see you Thursday night. I hope you're prepared for a very busy, but I think a very fun evening where we actually take up Dr. Michael Fullen's call that he so eloquently outlined in his Stratosphere book, where we are going to create for our students something that is elegantly efficient, that is transparent, and is the ability for kids to have a way to understand what's going on in our classroom anytime, anywhere, being technologically ubiquitous. Okay, I will see you Thursday night. Bye now.